Imagine this. Your car suddenly needs a $1,200 repair. You open your bank account, and your heart sinks. Not because the repair is expensive, but because that single bill starts a chain reaction. The credit card comes out. Interest starts growing. Next month, groceries become harder to afford. Then insurance increases. Then another emergency arrives. Here's the scary truth. Most people don't go broke because of one massive disaster. They slowly collapse because they have no financial breathing room. Today, I'll show you how to build that breathing room in just 30 days, using a strategy that almost nobody talks about. Most people think being financially prepared means saving a little money, buying stocks, or following complicated budgeting apps. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is something called financial margin. Financial margin is simple. It's the space between what you earn and what life unexpectedly takes away. Without that space, every surprise becomes a crisis. A flat tire, a medical bill, a broken air conditioner. Even higher grocery prices can throw your entire life off balance. The question isn't, will something unexpected happen? It's, will you survive without debt? Before you save more, you need to know where your money is escaping. Look at your last 90 days of spending. Don't judge yourself. Just look for patterns. Separate everything into two groups. First, waste, unused subscriptions, impulse shopping, food delivery every weekend, bank fees, late fees. These quietly steal hundreds of dollars every year. Second, exposure. These are the expenses that become dangerous when prices rise. Fuel, groceries, insurance, utilities, debt payments. These are the costs you can't easily avoid. And these are the ones that deserve your attention first. Here's an easy exercise. First, calculate your monthly fuel spending. Now imagine gas prices rise another 20%. Can your budget survive? Next, look at one takeout meal. If eating out costs $45, but cooking at home costs only $12, replacing just one restaurant meal each week could save over $100 every month. That's money you never knew you already had. Finally, look at your credit card debt. High interest debt quietly steals your future. A small emergency today can cost hundreds more in interest tomorrow. That's why paying off expensive debt isn't just smart. It's one of the best forms of financial preparedness. Don't try to change everything overnight. Instead, choose just 4 actions. Number 1, cook one extra pantry meal every week. Number 2, cancel one subscription you don't actually use. Number 3, call your insurance or internet provider and negotiate a better rate. You'd be surprised how often they say yes. And number 4, move money into savings immediately after payday, even if it's only $20, because money sitting in your checking account usually disappears. Money moved with purpose starts protecting your future. Small habits, repeated every month, create enormous financial strength over time. You can't control inflation. You can't control the economy. And you can't stop unexpected emergencies. But you can build a household that's ready for them. Real financial preparedness isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about creating enough breathing room so the next surprise doesn't become a disaster. Start today. Protect $1. Reduce one bill. Pay off one debt. Because every small decision you make today makes tomorrow's problems much smaller. And that's how real financial resilience is built.